Let's see. Hi everyone, this is Lynn and welcome back sa akong channel mga kaigsuunan. Now we have another video for today. And before we're going to taste all these Seaweeds products, please don't forget to click that subscribe button and comment and share this video, mga amiga and amigos. I happened to watch from JP Amazing Stories, and the very inspiring stories in there was about this young businessman from Thailand and the one who found the recipe of these seaweeds. Yes, mga kaigsuunan, these are the snacks from Thailand, the seaweed snacks from Thailand. So we are going to try this, and welcome to Leanne Tries Thailand, or Leanne Tries Thai. So guys, this is it, pancit. So now, I have tried most of this already, but like this one, I haven't tried this. And some of this here, some of the flavors, I haven't tried this one yet. And now this would be the taste test challenge. The taste test challenge. The taste test. No. This is just to try all the Seaweeds products here in Thailand. This brand is, I cannot read the brand of this, but anyways guys, the story of the founder of this company is very inspiring. He failed many times, but he also learned how to get up and go on, and so the first thing that we are going to try is this one. This is, I cannot read. Who can read that? Nobody. Only Thai can read this. Okay, now let's try this. You can find this one at 7-Eleven. So if you're going to come to Thailand, you can find all these products at any supermarkets or 7-Eleven or Tesco Lotus. You can find these anywhere.
Sari store.
Yeah, sa sari-sari store. Okay guys, so this is, I think this is 7 baht or 10 baht, I guess, or 15 baht, this one. So this is good for pasalubong also. When you come to Thailand, I saw a lot of tourists here in Thailand that they buy a lot of this to bring to their families. Pasalubong ba? Pang pasalubong. So this is it. So the seaweeds is just here. And this is only 10 baht. So I guess there's how many pieces here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's only 5 pieces. And I know that there is something like this also in Korea. But let me see if this one tastes like the Korean style. Salty and at the same time sweet. Yummy. Nice. Salty siya, salty. Not spicy. And the next one that we're going to try is the red one. I guess this one is spicy because there's a chili picture over here. The same thing with the other one too, but this one is just spicy. So here like this, and I guess there's also 10 pieces of seaweeds here. Small pieces of seaweeds. So let's try. Mas sweeter ni siya. Pero dili siya kanang as in sweet. But I prefer the other one. So you can see here, this one has a red. Hindi kayo siya maklaro, no? Kanina siya na siya yung mga red powder because this one is spicy. And this one has nothing. And compared, I think I like this one better. Not spicy one. Because this one has a different taste. Ako siyang iipon, ha? So yummy. The next thing that we're going to try is this big sheet. This big sheet has only one sheet. And it is 5 baht. This is 5 baht. This is very cheap. Big sheet, but this one is not spicy. This one, nice, right? Let's see. So big sheet, but it's small. I guess it's bigger than this. So that's why they call it big sheets. Let's try. This one is fried compared to the other one. The other one, I think it wasn't fried that well. Murag na apa siya
aftertaste.
This one is really different. When you fry a seaweeds, the texture of this one is really different from the other one that we tasted. Yummy. And crispy. The other one is not crispy, parang makunat siya, na? Other one. But this one is crisp. Nice. Next that we are going to try is this one. I think this one is just the same with the big sheet. But let's see what's inside of this. So inside of this are small sheets, but there's plenty. I have had the same taste with this one, but it's not. Can't stop eating.
Crunchy, crispy seaweeds.
Saan mo kaya? Apat po kaya ako ang review. It's crunchy. It's crispy. Yummy. No aftertaste. And also, there's no smell. Cannot smell the seaweed.
Siya di unay tanan ani. Kay
The next one that we're going to try is this one. This is the spicy version of this. Let's see and try it again. Okay, so this is it. I can see some red. It's spicy, but it's not that spicy. You can makaya na siya. Yummy. Well, you're gonna have got no. We still have more over here. So the next thing that we're going to try is this one. I haven't tasted this one. I haven't tried this. The first few na I've tasted, I have tried that one before. And this one is different. This one is a noodle tempura seaweed ramen. Tempura seaweed ramen flavor. Ramen flavor, mga kaigsuunan. Let's see and try this one. If this one is a good idea for pasalubong. Okay, so when you open it, you will see this one. It's coated with maybe powder or ramen. It's coated, no? Okay, right? And let's see. I don't really like it, but it's not that bad, but not my type. I don't know what kind of ramen is this. Try it. It smells like ramen though, but I don't like it.
Yeah, I'll try it.
It smells like ramen, but I like it. The next thing that we're going to eat is this one. It says a big roll, and let me see. So this one is big roll finger. You can put in your finger. Let's open. So yes, if you have a big finger, this one cannot fit on your finger. Yes. Let's see. I washed my hand. So it says a big roll. Let's see. I don't like the taste. It's really sweet. Ew. It's not salty. I don't like it. What is this smell? What is this taste? It's not nice. I don't like it. Don't buy it. It has aftertaste. It's sweet.
Weird. Sweet.
It's sweet that I cannot understand that taste. I think this one is better than that one. This one is I hate it. I don't like it. I don't like it. And we have more. We have only 4 left here. This one. See? Nick. I wanna try this one first. This one is the Korean noodle. The Korean spicy noodle flavor. Look at that. So yum. So yum. Have you tried the noodles? This noodle? I have tried that. And I know it's super spicy. Let's see if this one is spicy as well. Let's smell it. I hate smelling. Doesn't smell like Korean noodles. It doesn't smell like Korean noodles though. So let's see it. You can see inside, and it is a rectangle, and you can see also the you can see the red, so that means it's chili. Let's taste it. Doesn't taste like it. I have tried this noodle, but it doesn't taste like it. No, I don't like it. That maybe it's not salty. It's not that spicy as well. It's bland. I don't know. I can't explain. It doesn't taste like noodles, like Korean noodles at all. The next thing that we're going to try is this Good Day fried seaweed, spicy sea salt flavor. So this one is only sea salt, very basic, only salt. Spicy sea salt flavor. Only salt, so this must be good. So when you eat fried seaweed, wala lang, parang seaweed lang talaga, parang salt. It's just salt. This one is okay, but not my favorite. Now let's go to the last two. Let's try this. Let's open. Smell. Smells like seaweed. Smells like seaweed. This one has taste. This one is better. It's not bland. The others, this one is not good. I don't know. There's no taste. Maybe I'm just lahi-lahi agad ang palate, no? My palate is different from yours, and maybe, and I know that most of my kids like this kind of seaweed, but I don't like it. I didn't like it, and this one is okay. If you don't like a very salty one, this one is okay. This one is a healthier version of this one. Yeah, it's a healthier version. But as far as I know, this is what I like. This one is better. This is yummy. Yummy. Better than the rest. Yummy. This one is the spicy version. Ew. Ay naman. Ako ka-open. Cannot open it anymore. So this is the last. We'll see. Like it. This one has a lot of MSG, that's why it's yummy. This one too. Okay, let's wrap. Wrap up. So the one that I like the most are this. It looks the same. It's just the same, I guess. This one, yummy, top one. And the next, this and this. They're second for me. And this one, it's okay. And I think this noodles, this ramen is better than this. I guess.
Yeah.
This one is better
one
than
is
this
good.
one. So this is the next. And the last one that I hate most is this one. I don't like it. Right. Okay guys, so that's it. That's our Leon Tries Thai. And I hope that you are going to come back for my next video. Bye.